Hi guys, Kate here. Today I bring you linen neoprene products, which is the perfect combination because different from the previous neoprene product. This has this linen material, which makes it more durable and good looking. So let's check out what products do we have today. Firstly is this glass holder. As you know, neoprene product has this cushioned effect, so it can protect those very fragile products. And the printing is very easy. You just need to have the printing on and press on it. Then it's done. And this holder, it has this zipper, goes very smoothly, and also this clip for clipping it to your bag or backpack. Next, I'd like to talk about this lunch bag. It has a very big space. I'd like to check it out. And I can put my lunch box and my beverage, fruits and snacks, anything in it. And it is double-side printable. Next is this wine holder. It is a perfect gift for the parties and weddings. And this neoprene material can insulate the beverage, so it's perfect for holding the wine. And it's also double-side printable. Next, I'd like to talk about this trash can for the cars, or you can use it as a storage box. It's double-side printable and it hooks around the gear shifter. Next is the most popular products, which are the laptop bags. First, this is for the 15 inches. It has this holder and it is only one side printable. And when you open this up, you will find this neoprene material very thick to protect your laptop. Next is this 15 inches large laptop holder. This doesn't have a holder, so you can put it in your backpack directly. And the inside is neoprene material, which is very soft and protects your computer. And this is the 13 inches laptop holder. It's also double-side printable, and it has two zippers. And it is also a great protection. That's all for the introduction of the products. Now let's do the printing. If you are from UK, you can get those products through our supplyBlanksWholesale.com. If you're from Europe, you can get those products from our supplygoods.com, or you can contact our sales through the link below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.